Good morning, gurus, and welcome to the city of Amsterdam. It's so beautiful here. One of my favorite cities in the world. I've traveled to many 50 plus countries, lived in many of them, and this is one of my favorites. It's so beautiful. It's very peaceful. People are happy. Very amazing city. Everyone riding bikes. Look at this. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin, predict where it's going to go. I think we're going to go lower. I actually drawed my thoughts of where it's going to go. I put a path on the charts, which I'm going to show you. I'm also going to jump into the total market cap of all crypto, so we look at the crypto industry as a whole. Yesterday, I started deploying capital into the stock markets. I sold the stock markets a few months ago before we had this big drop, and yesterday I started to enter back in. Tesla and NIO is what I've been buying. Coinbase, Uber. I believe these stocks are starting to get into the value ranges. They have more to drop, in my opinion. NIO can come down to 17, but I have started to enter. Crypto, I think we have more to drop, and I'm going to show you my thoughts about that as well. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Join 68,000 people that I'm helping make very, very rich. Smash up the thumbs up button so you're notified of these daily videos. And it's a beautiful morning here from Amsterdam, and I hope you're having a beautiful day. And we got the Twitter back, which is amazing. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. So now we're into the technicals. Oh no, this is the US composite. This is the US stock market. These are my levels that I think the US stock market can drop to. 12,900, another 1,000-point drop, and then even 12,000 is possible. But there's no real signs yet of a bottom, but we'll go into that another time. You can follow my live trades, the join button on your phone, to see my trades that I make in the stock market. So this is the daily candles for Bitcoin. If you don't know what you're seeing here, I recommend taking my course with 6,000 students where I teach you everything about this. But this is the trend line of Bitcoin, massively trending up on the long term. But we broke a 2-year trend line that Bitcoin's been bouncing off. So this is Bitcoin's price from on the charts: 9,000, 69,000, 29,000, 64,000. Now we're sitting at around 38,000. So quite a big drop, almost more than 50% since we dropped. However, we are still in this downtrend since November. When I called the top in November, we are trending down, and we have not broken this white line. Until we break this white line, this downtrend line, until we break this downtrend line, we're going down. So even though everyone else in the whole world went bullish the other day, this is my projected path for Bitcoin for the next month or two. If it follows the same symmetry that we're seeing here, it's bear flag, bit of a recovery, making the flag, and then another drop. And that's what I'm seeing again. Bear flag, pole, bit of a recovery flag, and then drop. I think we're going to follow this path over the next 1 month. So this is the end result is on the 21st of February. So I think we're going to bounce down, come up a bit, recover to 37, then have a big drop on the bear market, bear flag, finishing off the pole, bouncing, coming 32. This is my path that I predict for the next few months. Let's see how it plays out. Now, we have volume coming in, which is a good thing. We have all-time high volumes actually on Bitcoin. Close, not all-time, but pretty high volumes. That's a good thing. Stochastic is heading up, but I think it's going to turn down. We're going to have a further drop. EMA ribbons, we're below the EMA ribbons right now on the daily, much below. VPVR, the main support on the VPVR for Bitcoin, the main resistance actually, is we have a strong resistance at, hold on. We have a strong resistance here at 35, a strong support at 35, and strong support at 32, and then not really much support underneath that on the VPVR. The crypto guru bot, which is being updated, it called a sell on Bitcoin back here at the $64,000 mark. What a call, huh? The stock guru bot on the crypto guru bot on the daily is the best. It's so on the daily chart, it's very accurate. It called a sell 63. And we're still red on the sell. It hasn't turned to a buy. And to show you another example, here was when it called a buy back in October 2020. We went blue and we went from 10,000 all the way to 60. Look, it went blue and went up all the way to 62,000. And I think at the moment we're still in a sell. We're in a downtrend. Let's turn on some other indicators. I teach you how to use all these indicators in the crypto course also. Stock Guru bot is going red still. Money flow index is showing money is not yet flowing into Bitcoin on the daily. Not much money flowing in. So more to drop. Now let's predict let's see what we can see if it's going to happen for the next few hours. On the next few hours, Stochastic is overbought, turning to head down. This one here, Stochastic overbought, turning to head down. Looks like we could have the pole of the flag happen. Over the next few days, we could have some big drops going to the 5th of February down to around the 30K area. That's what I'm predicting. I did buy some Bitcoin here at 35. I bought one Bitcoin. I'll buy more here at 33, and I'll buy a lot at 30. But I even see that we possibly could go to 19,000. So make sure you're DCAing. Don't put all your capital at one go. But it is closer to the bottom than the top. Stochastic on the hourly coming down. So it does look like today we're going to have a bit of a drop on Bitcoin. If this bear flag breaks, this could be a good short position right now. I wouldn't go a heavy short here because Bitcoin can break out, but this is a short position that I can take on Bitcoin, just a small one. My main goal is to start buying Bitcoin as we come down here, but on trading, day trading, I can take a small short here. So the short I can take is I risk just above this stop line. I risk $1,800 to make $6,700, 3.61 ratio trade. For every dollar I risk, my gain is possibly 3.61. So a nice potential short to take here on Bitcoin. So I'm going to actually open that short. If you want to trade like you're going to see me do, underneath this video on your phone, hit this thumbs up button. Let's get 1,000 likes on this video. Hit the subscribe button. Join my nearly more than 68,000 subscribers. Click the join button to follow my live trades. You see them live in stocks and crypto. And if you want to trade like you're going to see me, Bitcoin trading on Bybit, this link down below under the description and pinned comment under the video, go to this link and you get a sign up bonus of 4,100 USD when you sign up and deposit Bitcoin to start trading and investing. So this is my favorite exchange, and this is my Bybit account right now. So in my Bybit account, it's loading, $99,195, 2.6 Bitcoin. In here, I've got one Bitcoin, 55,000 USD, and I've got Casta 2,500. Casta, I've $1,300 of Casta at 50 cents. Casta, in my opinion, is going to be a big project. I'm a seed investor in Casta, so I have more than $1 million in Casta. In my Bybit account, I've got no trades open, but now I'm going to open a short on Bitcoin. So this is where I'm going to open the short. I'm going to open the short now, here, and I'm going to have my stop at $39,500. So I'm going to open a short on Bitcoin. I'm just going to do a small trade because my goal is to actually buy Bitcoin here. Opening short, my short is now open. That's how quick it is. I just sold Bitcoin expecting that it's going to go down. You just saw me open a $5,000 short. $500 worth of margin, total value $5,000, 0.13 Bitcoin. I'm short on Bitcoin. Now I'm going to modify this trade. I teach you this in the crypto course. I'm going to take profit down here at 30,000. I think it goes to 30,000. So I'm going to put it 30,300 is when I'm going to take profit. Take profit 30,300, and that's when I'm going to go buy a lot of Bitcoin and also go long. So my profit will be more than $1,000, and I'm closing my trade, just a very small trade with very tight risk management. And I'm going to close my trade. The stop loss will hit at 30, just a bit below this trend line here. So my stop loss, a little bit higher actually. My stop loss will be set at here. 38,900. 38,900. Done. So I'm risking $168 to make $1,000. So nice risk to reward ratio trade. Confirm. And so now my trade is open. It's currently up 58 cents. It's just started. My stop loss, my take profit is at 30,300. I'm shorting, expecting Bitcoin to drop, and my stop loss is 38,900. So I risk $190 to make $1,000. Just a very small trade, but again, my goal is to buy down here. This is the path that I think is going to happen to Bitcoin, coming down to around 30,000 and going into February. So this is my path that I see for Bitcoin. Now let's look at total market cap of all cryptos. On the hourly, total market cap seems to be actually making a little bit of a bottoming for me. No, it's still a bear flag, everyone. This is a bear flag. So again, this is the total market cap, all cryptocurrencies. We've got the pole, we've got a flag, and usually it's a continuation pattern for more of a drop. Targets 1.4 trillion and 1.1 trillion, nearly wiping out $2 trillion from the crypto markets since November when I called the top. So big potential drop. So that's my plan for Bitcoin. Again, if you want to trade like you saw me do, this link down below. And yes, thank you all. I think Bitcoin and the stock markets are going to have more of a drop, but again, we're closer to the bottom. If you're a DCA investor, that means buying every month. This is great time to be a bit more buying, in my opinion. Not financial advice. This is what I'm doing. You have to do your own. But I think Bitcoin is going to come down further. Thank you for watching, everyone. Hit the subscribe button. Join 68,000 people. Smash up the thumbs up button. Thank you all so much for getting my Twitter back. It was reinstated within 1 day, which is amazing. Magic Craft Twitter is also coming back in the next day. And now I'm going to go enjoy Amsterdam. I got many people commenting about being in Amsterdam, so I'll try to meet up with some of you. I'm only here for 1 more day, and then I'm flying to a different country, which is I'll surprise you in a few days. Thank you for watching, everyone. Hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.